Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. Many iPhone users are reporting that their iPhone is stuck on Security Lockout. Try again in 15 minutes. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue. First solution is hard reset your iPhone. For iPhone 8, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 series and iPhone SE second and third generation. Quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. Finally, press and hold the side or power button until you see the Apple logo. For iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, press and hold the sleep or wake button and volume down button at the same time until the Apple logo appears. For iPhone 6s and earlier models, press and hold the home button and power button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Second solution is erase your iPhone. Make sure that you have done a backup before doing this process. This will erase your all data. First, click Erase iPhone at bottom right corner of the screen. If you get this screen, again tap on Erase iPhone to go to next screen. Then enter your Apple ID password. Now your iPhone will be restarted. Once restarted, set up your device. Third solution is restore or update your iPhone. If you don't have the Erase iPhone option, do this method. Connect your iPhone to Mac or PC, then open iTunes or Finder according to your Mac OS version. Next, force restart your device to get into recovery mode. You have to hold down the power button until you get recovery mode screen. Locate your device on your computer or Mac. Next, click Update or Restore. If you click Update, it will reinstall iOS without erasing your data. Once the updating process is completed, set up your device. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.